Welcome to another video. In this video, we will continue to three other functions. So those functions are count, COUNTA, and COUNTBLANK. So what is the major difference between these three functions? To test it out, I have a range of cells. As you can see that this range have numbers, and also I have two blank cells and also three cells that are having text in it. Not a number. So my requirement is, I just want to know how many cells are having numerical values. Okay, so how do I find out? So which is equal to count and select the range and close the bracket, and here is showing the currency. Let me change the format. Okay, the 14 cells are having numbers in it. 14 cells are having numbers in it. That's correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 cells are having numbers in it. So count function actually omits cells are blank and cells that are having text, because he only count the cells that are having numerical value in it. So what about COUNTA? COUNTA counts all these cells that are non-empty. So in this scenario, in this range, only two cells are empty. So that means he is going to count all the numbers except the blank cells. So let's see the answer. So the function is COUNTA and then select the range. 17 cells are having something in it. Non-blank cells. And if I wish to find out the number of blank cells within this range, use the function COUNTBLANK and select this range and close the bracket. Only two cells are blank within this range. So that is the major difference between count, COUNTA, and COUNTBLANK. So in different scenarios, we may need to find out the number of blank cells in a range. And also we need to know that space, suppose if in this scenario, suppose if I put a space, I use my space bar and it reduced to 1. That means this is not an empty cell. Okay, sometimes when we get some data that may not be blank, so we declare it to identify the number of blank cells. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.